What is going on, everyone? I hope you are all having a fantastic day. So we've talked a lot about cashback credit cards here on the channel, and I've talked with some of you in the comments section about how cool it would be to have a cryptocurrency-backed credit card. Well, that product is finally here, and it comes to us from one of my favorite companies that is focused on all things cryptocurrencies, and that would be BlockFi. So today, let's take a look at everything that the BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards credit card has to offer, and talk about how you can start earning Bitcoin for your regular everyday purchases. All right, let's jump right into it. So as we slowly move towards the future where Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies will likely be used in mass for everyday transactions, something like a Bitcoin-backed credit card seems like a logical next step in my opinion. But the fact that this is finally actually becoming a reality is super exciting, and it's just another great indicator of the potential future growth of cryptocurrencies in my opinion. So first, let's run through all of the features, and then we'll talk about if this cool financial tool is a good financial tool for you. So the core benefit of this card is the 1.5% Bitcoin back that you are going to earn on every single purchase. I'm not sure if Bitcoin back is the correct term, but that's what we're going to go with. Now, obviously, something like crypto is constantly fluctuating in price, so it's a little difficult to directly compare this to something like a cashback credit card. However, if you're strictly looking at the percentage, 1.5% back on everything is pretty decent and beats out some of my favorite credit cards that are cashback that are currently available on the market. However, that is not where the benefits end. At the time of recording this video, BlockFi is also offering 3.5% Bitcoin back for the first 3 months of having the card. Now, I know 3 months is not anything crazy, but maybe you're interested in this card and the concept behind it, or maybe you have some really large purchases coming up. Well then, 3.5% back across the board is pretty unmatched in the market. This last benefit probably doesn't apply to most of us, but they will also currently give you 2% cash back on every dollar that you spend above $50,000 per year. Now again, I realize that most of us are probably not spending $50,000 a year on a credit card, but considering a lot of cashback credit cards actually have throttled cashback, meaning above a certain spending limit the percentage goes down, the fact that BlockFi is actually offering a higher percentage above a certain threshold is pretty unique, and it's just another example of how special this product is. And who knows, maybe someday the Bitcoin back that you earn with this card will go to the moon, and you'll be spending over $50,000 a year, earning 2% Bitcoin back on all of those purchases. And if you remember back to the video that I made on the best crypto savings accounts, BlockFi was actually one of my favorites in that category. So the fact that you get to use that as an extension of this already very unique financial tool is a really cool benefit. Okay, so those are the core benefits, but you're also going to get 2% additional APY paid to you in Bitcoin on all of the stablecoin holdings, which are basically things like USD coin, for example. Plus, you get a trading bonus of 0.25% back in Bitcoin on all eligible trades. Now, obviously, there are going to be restrictions on that sort of thing, but again, the fact that they are willing to pay you anything just for trading Bitcoin is difficult for me to even wrap my head around, but hey, I am not complaining. Now, before we get into some of the Visa signature benefits that come with this credit card, I do want to mention that at the time of recording this video, you are only able to sign up for the waitlist for this card. But by joining the waitlist, you're essentially saving your spot in line and ensuring that you are going to get this product as quickly as possible. So I will leave a link in the description where you can sign up or join the waitlist, but I want to be clear that that is not an affiliate link. I'm not being sponsored to say any of this, and I just want to make sure that you can navigate to the correct part of the BlockFi website. And you're also able to apply and see if you are pre-approved without any impact to your credit score, which is always an added bonus if you are concerned about that sort of thing. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a Visa signature card, and if you're not familiar, that means that not only do you get all of those benefits that we already talked about, but you're also going to get all of the Visa signature rewards benefits, which are pretty extensive. Now, it would take me a while to cover all of these, and there are a few different categories of Visa signature cards. But with this particular card, you're going to get the Visa signature luxury hotel collection, silver car Audi rentals, various entertainment offers on things like dining and even sporting events, Troon rewards, which is a golf benefits program if you're a golfer, as well as the Visa signature concierge service, zero liability policy, roadside dispatch, emergency car replacement, and travel and emergency assistance services. I know that was a lot, and I probably forgot to mention some things, but needless to say, this card comes with a ton of benefits, not only on the BlockFi side of things, but also with the Visa signature rewards benefits. Alright, so let's answer the big question, how much is this going to cost? Well, I will tell you right now that it is going to cost you nothing. Gotcha. That's right, this card is completely free, meaning there's no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, or anything like that, which, considering all of the rewards and benefits that you're getting, that is pretty awesome, and we always love free. So maybe you are loving the rewards, the fact that this product is really unique and gives you Bitcoin back, or of course the fact that it is completely free. But who is this product for, and most importantly, should you get it? Well, as always, that is going to be a personal decision. However, in my opinion, you don't have to be some crypto guru or some expert in order to get a pretty decent benefit out of a product like this. In fact, I would go as far as to say that even if you are just a novice in the crypto world, you still would get a huge benefit out of this product. And that's largely why I'm making this review video, because as many of you know, I have taken up an interest in cryptocurrencies, but by no means would I say that I am any expert by any stretch of the imagination. But despite that, something like the BlockFi Bitcoin Rewards credit card would still be a great financial tool for me to add to my wallet that not only gives me a ton of benefits, but in a lot of ways allows me to passively invest in cryptocurrencies. Now, unless you're spending a crazy amount of money on this card, you're probably not going to be rolling in it just by earning Bitcoin back on your purchases. But the entire concept of earning something other than cash back for your credit card purchases is a really unique concept and opens the door to a ton of different possibilities in the future. Obviously, Bitcoin is the largest cryptocurrency in terms of market cap, so it makes sense that they started with that one. But I could see a future where you're able to pick from a handful of different popular cryptocurrencies and automatically earn a percentage back on all of your purchases in the form of your favorite crypto. So whether you are a crypto expert, you were just getting started in the crypto world, or you're just curious about this unique product, then I would definitely recommend that you check it out and maybe even sign up for the waitlist. And again, this is not a sponsored video or anything like that, but as someone who just wants to share the latest and greatest financial tools with you, I do think that this is an awesome and unique product that I know I will personally definitely be getting. And even if this might not be the right financial tool for you, I would also highly recommend that you check out some of the other crypto tools that BlockFi has to offer, because overall, they really know what they're doing when it comes to the crypto space in general, and they have some awesome products outside of this credit card that can really help you take full advantage of the current popularity of cryptocurrencies. Again, I know this is something that some of us have talked about in the comment section before, so I'm sure a lot of you are really excited about the fact that it is finally here. And I'd also love to know what your ideal future looks like in terms of actual cryptocurrencies being used in the real world, and whether or not you feel like a product like this is helping to normalize the widespread use and adoption of cryptos in our everyday lives. As always, if you did get value out of this content and you want to help support me, the easiest way to do that is actually checking out some of my favorite financial tools down in the description below, many of which will give you some free money, which is always an added bonus. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content like this in the future. And of course, thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch my video. I really do appreciate that so much. Take it easy, and I'll see you in the next one.